Here's a quick summary of how design contests may be failing to meet expectations with design entries on Cad Crowd. So there's a few quick changes that can be made to substantially increase the participation rate of your design contest. First and foremost, if your design contest is not prepaid, prepaid contests receive at least 4 to 5 times more entries than payment pending work, since payment pending work in 70% of cases is paid, but 30% of payment pending contests are abandoned. Therefore, the best designers and the most active designers typically avoid payment pending contests. So if your contest is not prepaid, that is first and foremost a strong recommendation for improving the participation rate. The next item for your design contest is the timeline. We recommend allowing at least 7 days for entries to start coming in for your design contest, since all of our designers have day jobs or other clients that they have commitments to. Running a design contest with under a 7-day deadline may limit the participation rate, especially depending on complexity, for the contest that you're running. In most cases, the very highest participation rate contests run 30+ days, so we recommend that if your project is not time sensitive. If you have a short contest deadline and you want to extend it, you can extend it by looking at this link. It explains how to extend your contest deadline. And in addition, if your project is very time sensitive and requires a fast turnaround, we recommend our private project services, where we connect you with confidentially with a vetted CAD designer from our roster of the best designers on our platform, and have one person guarantee a turnaround time. The next item to troubleshoot is the description area. So if your contest description area is not fully complete, I strongly recommend reviewing this article, which explains all the information that designers require to have the best opportunity to participate on your contest and fully understand the scope of what you're trying to get done. Next is prize and budget. A reasonable budget is required at a minimum for good participation, and a generous budget is going to maximize participation. The budget is directly proportional to the amount of design entries as well as the quality of design entries that will be submitted to your design contest. So in some cases, adding additional prizes or increasing your main prize for your design contest may be a wise step to take. You can see this article, which explains budgets in more detail. Next is the discussion area of the contest. If a lot of designers are asking the same question, you may wish to post a design update in the discussion area, which is below the entries section on your contest page. This will update any designers that are watching your contest, as well as any designers who have submitted prior entries to your contest. So they'll basically get an auto email saying that the contest host has posted an update. So that's a good way to get feedback to pretty much all the designers that are interested in your contest all at once. Next is providing an adequate level of feedback to the designers that are entering your contest. If designers are not receiving feedback for their entries that they're submitting to your contest, chances are they won't submit revised follow-up entries. If you are giving them feedback, there's a good chance that they will revise their entry if you indicate interest in their design work. If you still have questions on improving the participation rate for your design contest, please let us know and we'll be happy to help you out. Thank you.